Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. That's weird that I just said hello. I usually say hey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would take this little end of the month Friday to just sort of go over what I have been working on the past month, actually more than the past month, and just kind of let you in on a little bit of my behind the scenes life. I am in my little art studio right now. You can see behind me, it is a mess. I've got my oil painting work behind me here, and over here what you can't see is my watercolor setup that I have going on. I really needed a separate area these past couple months because I have been working on book number 2, Watercolor with Me. I guess I can tell you what it's called now. So it's Watercolor with Me in the Ocean, and everything is ocean themed, basically the same format as the first book. So I've got my little watercolor area over there and my little oil painting area over here. So I'm feeling a little bit organized, a little more kind of like an artist, I think. It really helps, I think, to have the areas that you need to create artwork, because if I don't have them, I'm really not as inspired, I find. So I have been sketching, painting, digitizing, creating like a madwoman these past couple of months. These are all of the finished paintings for the new book. Again, there are 50 watercolor projects. So there has been a lot of drawing going on and painting and everything else. For the first book, I actually didn't do many sketches beforehand. I sketched them all out onto my actual watercolor paper that I would then be painting for the book. And I really found that this way, to help streamline that process and just to kind of keep myself on track, it was way easier to have my actual sketchbook and sketch out everything beforehand and then transfer that onto watercolor paper. I don't know why I didn't do that the last time, but this time it's been key in keeping myself on track. And before I forget to mention it, the new book is going to be out in fall 2019, so it's still a little while away, but it takes time to create a book. There is a lot that goes into it, from the initial table of contents planning to sort of back and forth with the publishers, seeing that the table of contents is okay, and then of course all of the drawing, transferring, the painting of everything, the scanning, the digitizing, and of course I design the whole book myself, and I like to do all that Photoshop work myself. I really wanted to take you guys along for the ride this time, just so that you can see all that goes into actually making a book. So currently, the stage that I'm at is the stage where I'm hustling, trying to get everything together to send to the publisher for approval. So that is basically my manuscript, and my manuscript is due at the end of the month. So once the manuscript is received by the publisher, they go through everything and they check it, edit it, do all of that kind of stuff. And if there are any changes, it comes back to me, and we kind of have a little back and forth session going on before anything is completely finalized. Once everything is finalized, we move on to the next steps, which probably won't happen for another couple of months. Everything takes so much time. When you're making a book, it's kind of ridiculous. You can know how things can go. So that's where I'm at right now. All of the projects are almost finished, and the book design and layout is almost finished as well. hopefully you guys got a little insight into what's been going on with the book from this video. If you have any questions about the whole publishing process, creating a book, anything that you want me to include in an upcoming video about the book, please leave a comment below and let me know, because I probably should be saying a lot of things that I haven't said and I just can't think too clearly at the moment. But I do also want to say thank you to you guys, because I wouldn't even be making a second book if it wasn't for your purchases and your support throughout the whole process of the first book. So I am so excited to get this new one out to you. I think my own personal art talent, I suppose, has grown over the past year or two from when I started that first book. So I'm really excited to see it all come together, and I am really proud of it. I am really happy with the artwork that is going in this book, and I hope that you guys are too. So I can't wait to share more with you. If you want to stay updated, definitely subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on Instagram and give the video a like, because it helps me out, and I really hope to see you guys in the next one.